Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buko.
Birthday! From Moving King, greetings from MT Skyblue Team. Happy silver anniversary to Lord, and happy birthday, Captain Nasinas.
Nakita ko birthday mo raw. Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday. The best days to come. Enjoy your life and be happy always. Don't forget to pray.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health. I love you.
Happy 20th anniversary to Lord Pipeline, and happy birthday, Captain Nasinas from Moving King.
Happy anniversary, Lord, and happy birthday, Captain Danilo Acenas. Thank you!
Happy anniversary, Lord, and happy birthday, Captain Danilo Acenas. Thank you!
Play!
Happy anniversary, Lord, and happy birthday, Captain Danilo Acenas. Thank you!
From the Chemical Marketer family, happy anniversary to Lord and happy birthday, Captain Danilo Acenas. Thank you!
From the officer San Giro, Obon San TV.
Happy birthday, anniversary to Lord, and happy birthday, Captain Nasinas.
From MT.
25th anniversary to Lord, and happy 66th birthday, Captain Danilo Acenas from Mujin Elvis family. Leonard, happy anniversary! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! From Mujin Pioneer, sir!
I would like to greet you, Captain. Us a very happy birthday. Your expertise in managing I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones,
Ang
and may you live for
nakakalipas
1,000 years. Happy birthday.
ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Hello everyone, hello sir. Really congratulations to Churnos 25th anniversary. So 25 years is really long time. Churnos has made so many shapes. But I especially remember the one vessel. This vessel commanded by a really good captain that has not been shaken by wave and any difficulty. The vessel name is the True North, and the captain name is the Captain Asenas. So I have no doubt the vessel will still go further and safer. So, happy birthday to you, sir. Bye.
Hi. Nothing else. Okay. Today is your birthday. Am I right? Okay. Congratulations.
Happy birthday, sir.
to you.
Okay. Taking this good opportunity, I must express our great appreciation to you. I think because of you, we are here. Trunor's company staff and also JS Mary company staff, all because of you. So I pray, I hope your good health every day and happiness. Okay? Congratulations again for your birthday. 같이 할까요?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday to you, sir. Bye.
Bye.